Hey, do you want to learn how to use Supabase in your Hosting a Horizons web app? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So they just came out with this Supabase feature. And if I click on it, I have this in beta, and you can connect to add authentication, store data, or call third-party APIs. All right. So you need to connect to a project first. So you need to add another organization here. And then you need to give it the API access. Just give it to your organization inside Supabase, like I've got this one, and just authorize it. Once you do, you'll be able to see this over here. So if I click on it, this is the organization, and this is a project, and this is another project. And I've connected with this one because I was using it for testing the sign up and login feature inside it. So I'm going to use this one. And you just need to click on it once, and then you need to connect with it from here. It's currently saying disconnect, but I already have connected it. And once done, it would be connected. It would say something like this, connected over here. Now in my case, I've made an image compressor app with the PayPal integration. And I've made this video before, so you can check it out. At the end of this video, there will be a playlist on the right. You can check it out from there. You can look at it over here. Once you type it, it's going to start making it. Right inside, there was a 409 conflict, and we have solved that error. Then there was a web app error, etc. Then I gave it the client ID of my PayPal and the client ID and client secret. After that, I asked it to make the app beautiful with modern user interface and just keep on going back and forth with it, create a login register system, also make the UI look modern, more functionalities, fix the current web app error. Whenever you put an prompt here or you ask it to do something, there will be a chance that it will give you an error and you have to fix it. So you just need to ask the AI to fix it. So going back and forth with it, you will have your credits exhaust very quickly. So like here, there was a white screen of death. So I asked it, there was a white screen, it just fixed it and all. After that, I found that it was not connected with my Supabase yet. So I said, connect to my Supabase account, please. And then it asked me to first go over here in the top right and then click on this and connect with it. Once I have done that, I was able to connect from here. So when I connected it, it put this text inside the left-hand side. So please connect my Supabase project, Testing Horizons, to my website. Included the URL and the anon key from Supabase. And just like this, it also run the SQL inside the SQL editor. So I've made a full tutorial on how to do this manually if you do not want to go from here and do this. I already made a tutorial how to do it manually. You can check it out at the end of this video. There will be a playlist. You can check it out from there on my Hosting a Horizons tutorials. So if I go down, so I said, yes, please add them all. So it said, would you like me to do all this? I said, okay, add them all. It was all done here. So yes, please add them all as well. For these, add more features to image compression, add batch processing capabilities, etc. Added all this. Please give sign up and sign in errors, because when I was trying to sign in or sign up here, it was not giving any error. It was just repeating again and again. Like if I click on it, it would just say loading and it would just go back to create account that way. So I go down. This is fine. It is just because I was waiting here for long and I have not refreshed it. That's the reason. So on the left-hand side, I said, okay, it doesn't log in, please check. So it again fixed it and fixed current web app error. And now I'm done. So I will refresh this and our web app is ready. After doing all that, our web app is ready. And you just have to click on publish on the top right. It will give you this, published successfully, and you can view the site from here. And if you want to learn how to connect your custom domain to your Hosting a Horizons web app, check out the playlist as well. There will be a video there. So over here, we've got our app ready with the compress and the dashboard. And if I click on this user icon, I can also find my user, the email that I've added on the Supabase. So if I go inside it, I go inside the authentication, and inside here, I will find that I've got this blah@blah.com. I just added it manually from here, create a new user, and I can log out and sign in by using that email like this. And then once I sign in, it will sign in to my app. And over here, I've got the overview in the dashboard, available credits, and the image is compressed. So if I go to payment history, all my payment history will show here and the settings. And if I go to compress, you've got the credits here. You can pay with the PayPal. Inside this, on the top right, you've got the 4.99, and in the card, 50 image compression credits, and your customers can fill up the details and they can pay using PayPal. I'll close this down. And if you go into the Supabase, and if you want to learn how to increase your rate limits, because you will have to do this, it would be like 2 here, and you want to increase it like 50 or 100 per hour. So in order to do this, the number of emails that you can send per hour, if you want to do this, you will have to use another SMTP tool, which is going to be Zeptomail. And I've made another video on this where I explained how to connect Supabase with Hostinger Horizons web app. And inside it, I've showed everything, how to connect, how to make an account here in Zeptomail, and how to connect that SMTP inside Supabase. So you can check it out from the playlist at the end of this video. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can connect this new Supabase integration with your web app on Hostinger Horizons. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment. And make sure to check out my playlist on the right. See you there.